Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to download and install LibreOffice on Windows. So let's get into it. First of all, search for LibreOffice and open the official website on your computer screen. Once the website opens up, to download LibreOffice, from the top menu click on the download, and from this drop down click on download LibreOffice. Choose your computer operating system from this menu and then click on download. Within a few moments, the downloading will automatically start. Once the downloading is completed, open the file to start the installation process. Click on Next. Again click on Next. And finally click on Install. It will take a minute to complete the installation process. Once it is complete, click on Finish. And that's it. LibreOffice is successfully installed on your computer. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.